To see apps on Xfinity Flex, start by installing Xfinity Internet Service if you haven't already. Then obtain a streaming TV box with Xfinity Flex service, excluding XIFIS. Using your voice remote, click on Xfinity, then select Apps, and choose your preferred app section by clicking the OK button. You'll find various free apps, such as Pluto and Zoomy Play, and a banner will appear notifying you that you're entering a third-party app. For more information, press the I or Info button on your voice remote, although this will take you away from the app. Once an app is open, you can navigate it using your voice remote by clicking the OK button to access desired content. Note that some apps require a subscription to access, including Netflix, Spotify, Paramount, Prime Video, and others. Overall, accessing apps on Xfinity Flex is a straightforward process.